I would definitely recommend this program to others. I think that it is a great stepping stone. If you're working in production already, I think this is a great program. You learn so much and you really get a good foundation of what it's like to be top line.
This program was as hands-on as you can be. We got access to so many different tools that are up and coming and new. And being at CSUN, being in the heart of Hollywood, and our next door neighbors are the Universal lot, Warner Brothers, and such easy access to technology. Having this program be in the heart and center of that, and having it surrounded by professors that are also in the heart and center of that, we learn together. And having the courses and the classes be flexible with that process, not just sticking to a syllabus, was absolutely amazing and was such a great experience to be able to experience the life-changing, not just read a book, do a syllabus, turn in a project.
I know so much more today than I did 2 years ago before I started the program. Our professors have been super encouraging and understanding that some of us come from completely different backgrounds and are not super familiar with the business model that is the entertainment industry. And they have been completely welcoming to us just going all in and learning everything we possibly can. And they've been completely encouraging in letting us find business opportunities where we can and offering business opportunities to us.
This kind of bridged the gap in learning how to manage, learning how to direct, learning how to work with people in a professional manner.
With all of our instructors and with the classes, you know, there's obviously been some challenges because you're learning at a much higher level than, you know, what some of us are used to even working in the field. Some of us have never worked before.
And if you want to really be in entertainment and be someone who can help make change, I think this program will help you understand what you need to know, the tools you need to have, and how you need to go forward. Plus, it'll give you the network connection and the cohort connections that we continually are staying connected with for the life of this program.
I don't think that if you had told me 2 years ago that I would be standing here right now, I would have not believed it. I am so incredibly honored to be here, and this program has connected me with like-minded individuals, great networking. At the same time, I feel like I have so many opportunities that lie in front of me, and I'm excited for the future.